Edward Snowden admitted XRP will explode despite the SEC. XRP to $55,000. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that the unfavorable outcome of the SEC lawsuit will not affect the company's activities in any way. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Garlinghouse met with Bloomberg and spoke in detail about his company's litigation with the SEC, which has been going on since December 2020. The main dispute in this lawsuit is whether XRP was sold to investors as an unregistered security, which is whether XRP is a security. According to Garlinghouse, the team has already assumed the worst-case scenario and is acting accordingly. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple has undergone several twists. One of the most notable moments in the courtroom occurred when Judge Annalisa Torres rejected petitions filed by both the SEC and the Ripple team, among other rulings rendered in court mostly in Ripple's favor. Many U.S. crypto exchanges were forced to remove XRP from their platforms due to a lawsuit, which led to a loss of XRP liquidity in the country. However, Garlinghouse noted that most of the company's growth has occurred outside the country, as 95% of Ripple's customers are payment providers based outside the United States. The CEO also said that the team has focused on its activities outside the country, and the company is actively hiring employees outside the United States. Therefore, despite the lawsuit that damaged Ripple's operations in the U.S., XRP is showing record growth solely due to its global operations. Garlinghouse noted that demand for RippleNet increased eightfold in 1 year from Q1 2021 to Q1 2022, indicating that litigation has not stopped the growth of XRP. RippleNet, Ripple's core product, is a global digital payments platform operating in more than 55 countries. Garlinghouse also called on the SEC for excessive scrutiny, stating, "I just think it's incredibly frustrating that here in the United States, where we've led innovation in so many different industries, we have an agency that overstates and really limits competitiveness and hires people here in the United States." Quote, in addition to the CEO, even John E. Deaton, one of Ripple's lawyers leading the lawsuit, called the SEC's accusations unfounded. He said, "The SEC is making up shit on the go. The war continues. I predicted an SEC lawsuit against one or more exchanges by the end of the summer. I still believe it." Quote, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which will eventually win in the ongoing lawsuit against Ripple, will have very little impact on the company's business dealing with payments through blockchain. Ripple Chief Executive Officer Brad Garlinghouse said Tuesday that the company is operating as if it has already lost the case with the commission. In an interview with Bloomberg on April 26, Brad Garlinghouse publicly commented on his firm's ongoing litigation with the SEC. Ripple has been in litigation with the SEC since December 2020. The crux of the matter is whether Ripple sold XRP to investors as an unregistered security, and the answer to this question requires establishing whether XRP is a security. Garlinghouse stated that the opinion that the XRP token is an unlicensed security is erroneous. Quote, "It is noteworthy that the liquidity of XRP in the United States dried up after many cryptocurrency exchanges were forced to download it from their platforms." Nevertheless, the head of Ripple noted that the company's exceptional growth is taking place outside the United States. In particular, 95% of Ripple's customers are payment providers outside the United States. Garlinghouse then reported that Ripple was hiring more people outside the U.S. Ripple enthusiasts remain concerned that XRP could become a security. Garlinghouse further stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission had been seeking delays all the time, thereby delaying justice. He notes that despite the fact that the agency has repeatedly stated that it is all about transparency, in recent months it has been less than ready with some of its notes. The delay of justice is a denial of justice. Unfortunately, justice is being delayed here due to the SEC's ongoing efforts to advance the case. Quote, Garlinghouse also noted that not only the fate of XRP is at stake, but also the future of the entire U.S. crypto industry. The Securities and Exchange Commission has proven that it is not concerned about the numerous American investors it damages or the number of independent companies it leads abroad, as it seeks to expand the new Howey test and its credibility in general beyond common sense. Then the head of Ripple repeated that the SEC should develop a clear regulatory framework for digital assets instead of applying its regulation by enforcement. Meanwhile, Ripple and the SEC continue to argue over procedural issues, including the fintech firm's demand that the securities regulator publish emails related to the infamous speech about Ethereum delivered by William Hinman in 2018. Ripple's general counsel recently predicted that the trial is likely to last until 2023. Attorney John Deaton, a lawyer representing more than 65,000 XRP holders, told Link2, a private equity firm, in an interview why he decided to support the crypto project. According to Deaton's lawyer, Ripple turned out to be one of the most transparent existing cryptocurrency projects without any shady transactions. According to Deaton's lawyer, despite the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission has been investigating the case against Ripple for more than 2 years, the authorities have so far failed to detect any fraudulent activities related to the project. For 30 months, they, the SEC, have been looking at these guys, Ripple and the individual defendants, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen. They studied them, Deaton's lawyer said, adding, they even checked every transaction made by Garlinghouse and Larsen and every transaction made by Ripple between 2013 and 2020. 2.5 years later, they have not filed a single claim of fraud or misrepresentation on the part of Ripple. Deaton, who spoke out on a number of issues related to the SEC lawsuit, noted that he does not think that any other cryptocurrency project can come out flawless if the securities agency conducts an intensive investigation, as was the case with Ripple. Despite this, the SEC is not going to drop its accusation against Ripple and its executives for conducting an unregistered securities offering, as a result of which the company raised $1.3 billion. While the SEC is adamant that Xrp Ripple is a security, the blockchain company thinks otherwise and is ready to prove this fact in court. After recent events, an order was issued last week on a joint schedule, according to which the trial can be extended until next year. Interestingly, the development did not prevent XRP investors from supporting Ripple. They believe that the lawsuit will end in favor of the blockchain company, and the value of the digital currency will increase dramatically. The live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.